Assalamualaikum. I am the student of BS Economics second semester. Today we will discuss the topic of marketing 6th chapter strategic planning. The process of developing and maintaining a strategic fit between the organization goal and capability and its changing matrices opportunities called strategic planning. Planning is performed to address changing environment and consumers, develop shared goal within organizations, address competitive threat to anticipate the future, determine action that are needed to achieve objectives. सबसे पहला है स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग, उसके सेकंड आ जाता है टेक्निकल प्लानिंग, ऑपरेशनल प्लानिंग। सेकंड इसकी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग है, इट इनकरेज मैनेजमेंट टू थिंक अहेड सिस्टमेटिकली, इट फोर्स मैनेजर टू क्लैरिफाई ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पॉलिसीज, इट लीड टू बेटर कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ कंपनी एफर्ट, इट प्रोवाइड क्लियर परफॉर्मेंस स्टैंडर्ड द कंट्रोल, इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर अ फास्ट चेंजिंग इन्वायरमेंट सिंस साउंड प्लानिंग हेल्प द कंपनी। थर्ड आ जाता है स्ट्रेटजिक प्लानिंग के प्रोसेस। इसके प्रोसेस हैं, स्ट्रेटजिक प्लानिंग इज एट द स्टेज ऑफ द रेस्ट ऑफ अ प्लानिंग इन द फर्म। देयर आर 4 स्टेप इन द स्ट्रेटजिक प्लानिंग। द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज स्टार्टिंग अ क्लियर कंपनी मिशन, सेकंड सेटिंग स्पॉटिंग कंपनी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, थर्ड डिजाइनिंग अ साउंड बिजनेस पोर्टफोलियो, फोर्थ प्लानिंग एंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मार्केटिंग एंड अदर फंक्शनल स्ट्रेटजी। स्ट्रेटजिक प्लानिंग के कुछ प्रोसेस हैं, पहला है वेयर आर वी, सेकंड है वेयर वुड वी बी, थर्ड वेयर डू वी वांट टू गो, फोर्थ how do we get there, 5 how do we get there, 6 are we getting there। डिफाइनिंग कंपनी बिजनेस। कंपनी बिजनेस के 4 जो हैं वो मिशंस हैं। फर्स्ट मिशन इसका क्या है, स्टेटमेंट इज अ स्टेटमेंट दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रपोज व्हाट इज वांट टू कंप्लीशन इन अ लार्जर एनवायरनमेंट। सेकंड है अ क्लियर मिशन स्टेटमेंट, एक्ट ऑन एन विजिबल हैंड दैट गाइड पीपल इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। थर्ड है मार्केट डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ बिजनेस आर बेटर देन प्रोडक्ट और टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेफिनेशन। Product and technological can become outdated, but business and need it last forever. 4 है mission oriented. Mission statement define the business in terms of satisfy business customer need. The mission statement must avoid being too narrow to broadened mission statement must। उसके बाद इसकी आ जाती है स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग की साइकिल आ जाता है, प्रपोज गोल्स, ओपन इश्यूज, इनिशियल ऑप्शंस, गैप एनालिसिस, वोट एनालिसिस। उसके बाद इसकी डिफाइनिंग कंपनी बिजनेस एंड मिशन, be realistic, be specific, fit the market environment, indicate distinctive competencies, be motivating। Setting company objective and goals. The mission lead to hierarchy of the objective including business and marketing opportunities. Objective should be specified as possible. Designing the business portfolio. The third step in the strategic planning process is designing a portfolio. The business portfolio is a collection of business and product that make the company. The best business portfolio is one that business fit the company's strength and weakness to opportunity in the environment. In order to designing the business portfolio, the business must analyze the current business portfolio and decides which business should receive more, less or no invest, develop growth strategy and adding new product business to portfolio। Analyzes the current business portfolio. In order to analyze the current business portfolio, the company must conduct portfolio analysis, a tool by which management identify the value of various business that make up a company। 2 steps are important in this analysis. The first step is identify the key business. The second step is the CBU can be accompanied within a product line with a division or an even single product. Third step is the to assess attractive of its various SBU and decided how much support each deserve. The best known portfolio planning method is to Boston Consulting Group BCG matrices. Portfolio planning method in Boston using BCG approach where a company classify all its CBU, coordinated the growth share mixture. The vertical axis market growth that provide a measure of market attractiveness. The horizontal axis relative market share serve as a measure of a company's strength in a market. Using the matrix, 4 types of SBU can be identified: stars, cash cows, poor dogs, and question mark. Stars are high growth, high share business. Cash cow are low growth, high share business. Question mark are low share business unit in high growth. Dog are low growth, low share business and product. The 4th strategy that can be persuaded by each. The company can invest more in the business unit in order to build its share. The company can invest enough just to hold at the current level. The company can harvest the SBU. The company can divest the SBU. Growth share matrix. They can be difficult, time consuming and costly to implement. Manage may find it difficult to define SBU and measure market share and growth. They focus on classify current business but provide little advice for future planning. They can lead the company to placing too much emphasis the market share growth and growth through entry into attractive new market. This can cause unwise expansion into the hot new risky venture to giving up the established unit too quickly. In spite of drawback, the most firms are still committed to the strategic planning.